we'll be looking at finding missing angles and missing sides using the sine formula. So the idea is to find the perfect pair. What does the perfect pair mean? It means that if you have a known angle and side that are opposite to each other. So let's take a look at the first example. It doesn't seem like we have a perfect pair. However, if you, upon closer inspection, we have two sides that are known, which add up to 94. That means that the third angle in the triangle will have to be 86, because all three angles always add up to 180. Don't forget that. Now we do in fact have our perfect pair, so we will be using these two values to find this value D. So let's set up our ratio. We know that start off by writing the letter, what we're looking for, over the angle. So here was side, so over sine 32 is equal to 35 over sine 86. So to find my answer, I'll divide these two numbers and I'll multiply by this number. So let's do that. D would be equal to, let's do that in the calculator. So on my calculator, I'll just punch in 35 divided by sine 86 equals multiplied by sine 32 equals 18.6. Does that make sense? 18.6. Let's take a look. 18.6. Well, 86 gives me 35, and then 32 is quite smaller than 86, so I know that it has to be quite a lot less than 35, so 18.6 does in fact make sense. So that's how you find a missing side. Now let's take a look at missing angle. Again, we want to find our perfect pair, which means a known side and a known angle that are opposite to each other. So really quickly we can see that this is the perfect pair we will be using to find what we're looking for. And we are looking for this angle, and we'll be using the 41. So here we don't need to do the third angle in a triangle. We couldn't even do it if we would want to. So let's start off by our unknown, which is sine theta over 41, which is the opposite side, equal to sine 26 over 25. Notice that I put the angles on for the numerator here versus the side like I did for the first question. So to find my answer, I will do the division between these two numbers and multiply by 41 and then sine minus 1. So let's do that. So sine 26, and then this divided by 25, divided by 25. Oh, be careful. If I would have done that, it wouldn't have given me the right answer. Sine 26 equal, I need to find my ratio, and then divide that by 25. Equals, and then that's multiplied by 41 equals, and then second function, sine minus 1, right, to find an angle, and then second function, go get my answer, my previous answer. So 45.96, so let's just call it a even 46. The theta would be 46 degrees. There you go. That's how you use the sine formula to find a missing angle or missing side.